My channel is Vegan Brie because I am vegan. I know, shocker. And I speak about cruelty-free and vegan topics, mainly beauty. We're going to get into my FabFitFun for fall unboxing. Not paid. I have a link down below if you want to get some money off, as well as I think I get a little bit of money off. But that's about it. And I did film my selections. I just didn't post them, and I didn't post the sneak peeks or anything. I don't know if you're interested in that. Let me know if you still are. But let's get into my unboxing, and then I will show you me applying these products as well. First impressions, haven't worn them ever before. I have some swatches that I filmed outside because I thought it looked pretty, natural lighting. First, I got this red, this is oversized. Let me back up the camera. This oversized fleece crew neck. It feels really nice. I think it's 100% cotton. It's fleece and it's a pretty burgundy color, and it's from the brand We Wore What. It's oversized, so I got it in a small. I usually wear a medium, but I thought this was really cute. Again, 100% cotton, and I'll put prices up on the screen too. It's in the shade Maroon. And then I did not realize this was gonna be so large. This is from Ilia, and it is their Light Shift Cream Highlighter in the shade Glint. There was, I think, 2 shades, but I think it comes in 3. And the mirror is actually pretty good, but I didn't know if it was gonna be too dark. But I have that right here. There is no glitter to it or anything like that. It is just it's cream, but not super wet. But it's a really pretty, like, champagne color, but right there. And it blends out really nicely. I used a brush, but I'm sure you can use your finger. So yeah, right there. I've been wanting to try this ever since it came out from Rare Beauty. The Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush and the shade Joy. I did not know what to pick, and I couldn't tell with the swatches. So, and it does get messy after you use it. The mirror is also really good, and it is so pretty. I have it right here. You can see a little bit of glow. A little goes a long way. It is so smooth. And just, I bet that would be a really pretty eyeshadow. There you go. I didn't know what to choose. There was, I think, 4 shades to choose from. So I just chose Joy. I love warm tone blushes all the time. I'm not really a cool tone person in general. Just, I think it goes really nice with my skin tone. Again, so pretty and glowy. You don't need, it's not, I thought it was going to be, and there's no glitter, you know. It's just a really, really glowy, almost like metallic kind of blush. But I don't think it looks, I don't know, I think it just looks like you drink a lot of water. I'm wearing these today. This is the Hourglass, which I don't think I've ever bought anything from Hourglass. No. I've swatched stuff, but never bought anything. This is their Voyeur eyeshadow stick in the shade Galaxy. I'm really into eyeshadow sticks, and I have it right there. That's after, like, washing my hands too. And then I put it on my eyes, and then I set it with a powder. But that's what I recommend. And not like one of those, like, water sticks that we've been seeing, which I really do want to try some of them. I got from Causemetics their Brilliant Eye Brightener. I've been wanting to try these in the shade Stella, which my dog's name is Stella, and I put it in my waterline. I just did my makeup, so I don't know how long these last, but it's very, very subtle. Not a lot of, it's pretty much like my skin tone. So, but they have a bunch of shades, and I do like Fribe's, their mascara. Not the one that everybody talks about. I have a dupe from that from e.l.f., which I'm not happy with e.l.f. right now. So I don't want to talk about e.l.f. I'm not linking them anything right now. I'm just so irritated. If you know, you know. But yeah, I'm very excited about these. I like champagne and like nude liners in my waterline, and also I did use a champagne one in my inner corner yesterday, and that was really pretty. But shade Stella, because that my puppy's name is Stella, my big humongous bulldog who's 9. My last 2 products are hair products. Some of these customizations I didn't know what to pick, and so I got the Bondi Boost HG Heat Protect Spray, and it had mixed reviews, but one of my people, well, I don't know if she considers me a friend, but I really like her, and we've talked quite a bit. Fashion Veggie on Instagram has talked about Bondi Boost, so I thought I would try this. I'm low on some heat protectants. And then this is from X Mondo. I only purchased X Mondo, which is Brad Mondo. If you don't know, Brad Mondo's, he's a hairstylist, and he does YouTube reaction videos. I bought some stuff for my sister-in-law, but I haven't used any, I haven't bought any for myself, but I'm hoping this works really well because I have some, I don't know why a breakage, but I do have some frizz. So this can actually help. That would be nice because I've gotten some products before that are supposed to help with frizz, and they don't do anything. So this is the X-Mondo Super Gloss Ultra Frizz Defense Spray. It's supposed to be a Humi Shield technology. So hopefully it actually works. It does say you need to, you know, shake well, spray generously from roots to ends, blow dry hair, finish with a hot tool. So hopefully that actually works. I've used the Color Wow one and it barely does anything. And other products, and they just, again, do not do anything, even with hot tools. And I do blow dry my hair. I don't always use like straighteners and stuff, but even then, it's just like comes right on back. So let's get into the add-ons. I did get a couple add-ons. First, let me know if you know from the 90s. I'm born in 92. Look at these, so cute. And I love the nude colors, even though my hair is pretty dark, aka almost black. This is from Kitsch, the recycled plastic headbands. Hopefully my children don't take these. I think they're really cute. So you can just like that, like a crown. I don't want to mess up my hair, so maybe for Halloween. I'm just kidding. But I thought these were so cute. I just remember these in the 90s. Remember the ones that were like zigzag and people would put their hair like that? So I got those. And then I got from Innisfree. I am completely out of daytime moisturizers. My husband was like, why can't you use your nighttime ones? They're just like thicker. I don't know. Not that it's bad, but I've been really using up a lot of skincare. Ooh, it's glass. And this was, I think, like $12. If you are a FabFitFun member, you get discounts on their shop. And also you can do, add-ons like I did. And they have tons of sales all the time. But I don't like getting anything full price. Just saying. This is the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Cream, which I really love. Hyaluronic acid. I have dry skin. And I like their packaging. But yeah, hopefully this isn't like super thick. Ooh, I think it's filled up all the way. I hate when they do that where like they fill up like barely any product. How do you take this bad boy off? I think they're a K-beauty brand or skincare brand. I don't know why the plastic is like, I peeled off my gel, which don't do that. Okay, so it's like double. Oh my god, it's filled up all the way to the top. Doesn't really have a scent. I'm so excited. I needed another moisturizer, and you get 1.69 fluid ounces, so looks small, but it's not. And then last but not least, I have not tried one kind before. I think they have skincare, but this is their perfume. It's a fine fragrance in coconut oil. It's supposed to be intoxicating, sultry, and old money. And it's in the scent Tonka Days. Has cardamom, pink pepper, orange blossom, sandalwood, tonka bean, and bourbon. And it smells, it has like a warm scent. It's a warm scent. Like, it's very light, but it smells so good. It has like a little bit of honey without it being overly sweet. And it's like a little roller ball, but this is so just something comforting about it. I don't know how to describe it. My husband said it smelled like vanilla, but it's not overly sweet. It's really, I love cardamom, and maybe it has a little bit of the orange or the sandalwood. I don't know, but it smells really, really nice, and I'm excited to wear that for fall. And I've been into more fragrances. But yeah, that is what I got. What did you get if you are a FabFitFun member? Would this make you want to sign up for FabFitFun? Because if you do sign up, you still get the fall box. And let me know if you want to see me do spoilers, because I might. And I will do reviews, maybe individual reviews on some of these products, especially like the hair products. Because I try to look up reviews and I always see like mixed reviews. And even if they say they're good, everyone has different skin. Everyone has different concerns or preferences, different hairs, what have you. I really like FabFitFun because they have fitness stuff, they have makeup, obviously, they have skincare, hair care, fashion, they have home decor, which I have gotten home decor pieces before. I'm going to put this video in my FabFitFun playlist. I have subscribed to FabFitFun for the past 3 years. I have not gotten PR. That would be amazing, like a PR, and I got to pick up my stuff early because I probably would still do a paid for box and a PR. So FabFitFun, if you're watching this, probably not. I really like FabFitFun. I don't get box charm anymore. I don't even know if I still get it in PR because I haven't gotten the August box, so don't think so. And I still have FabFitFun 3 years later because while there are hits and misses, you know, season to season, this is a seasonal box. And also, if you sign up as a seasonal member, if you sign up for the seasonal membership, you get to pick everything too, which I also like. There's no surprises. You get to pick all the items as long as you pick your items within that window, which are pretty good if you follow them on Instagram and they send you emails about letting you know when the customization window is. Also, I like to shop for add-ons. Again, don't like paying full price for anything. So if you're interested, again, I have some of my favorites. I have down below some discount codes. I'm not pushing them, but if you want to use them and support me, I, you know, very much appreciated. And yeah, FabFitFun is my favorite subscription box at the moment. Let me know any products you want to see reviews on from this box or just in general, but I only talk about and support vegan and cruelty-free businesses. So yeah, I hope everyone has a wonderful day or night or, you know, wherever you are time zone wise, and I hope to see you in my next video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, or thumbs it down, you know. That will tell the algorithm that you watched my video.